What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now. We got a big random coming up for our Chase the Great Tie-in Jersey Edition break. It is break 754. 3 jersey boxes coming out of this one. Lots of big names left on the checklist. Good luck. We only got 28 teams here, and we're live pretty much as soon as we do teams. 10:31. Here's your list of names. Adam, all the way down to Adam, and we got Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, folks. 1, 28, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3 says it is at 10:31. 10:31. And last and final.
And a clinic on how to pitch with a 5-round lead, too.
Last and final timestamp. 10:32 and 10:32. Adam to Corey. Adam to Corey. Oops, they're not supposed to be there. All right, don't mind those names for 1 second. All right, those do not count. Those are not teams. Patrick to Fast Eddie. All right, there is your names. I got to take these teams out of here. Just give me 1 quick second.
And he looked at me about several innings. Wow.
And here's your teams. We got Anaheim to Winnipeg. 4 randoms there as well. It is 10:32. 1, 2,
This is wow.
3. Yeah, my bad on that. I copied the teams over, but I didn't erase them.
100-mile-an-hour fastball.
Oops, third timestamp. Third timestamp says 10:32. 10:32. Last and final.
48 starts in the last 2 years.
Timestamp on 4.
24 of them.
10:33 and 10:33 it is. Dallas is in the top spot in Florida. Oh, sorry, Florida. Halfway mark. And then Buffalo down to Tampa Bay. All right, guys, here's your teams. We're going to post them in the comments. We'll see you in about 5 minutes for this break. Best of luck.